हाँ जी.
Sorry, I lost you. I mean, I couldn't
Yeah.
hear anything.
So I'm saying that you know, the thought that is coming to me is that when depending on, you know, the choosing these 11 people would really be a very काफी इसमें thought जाना चाहिए, because you know, if the team is not right and there is synergy, if synergy is missing between them, then it would really not कहीं उल्टा fire ना करे, और it might not you know put things down rather than on forefront. This is one thought that is going on in my head.
No, I agree with you 100%. But in terms of sequence of things, right, I think that is much later. Right? So two things that will hit you. One is that it comes much later. It is, you know, when are we seeing this? We're saying in July, but we can actually move this out to even after enrolling the first 100 members. Right?
I didn't get you.
Oh, sorry, sharing a screen. So here, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Right. So we are saying register the thing and then establish the board by in July. I'm saying you can break this down and say, you know, you just do the registration and figure out your executive team, right? Rather than establish the board. The board establishment can come after you've got 100 people on board. Then you can actually go to these people and say, look, we have 100 members already who have signed up, and this is the wonderful executive team that we have. So in fact, you know, let's make that change to the deck before we even move further. I'll make it and I'll send it back. Okay. So that's one thing that I would suggest is let's not focus on that right now. Let's focus on the first thing, which is socializing this, reaching out to as many people as we can. And two, we need to get people for this executive thing, right? Who is going to volunteer their time? Because this is, I mean, at least for the foreseeable future, it's not going to be paid, right? So how do you find people who volunteer their time to, you know, create this executive body, which will actually look at something, right? So you need somebody who's going to be, you know, who's going to go and look out for partners. You need somebody who's going to basically be this guy who's going to run these events and all of that stuff. You need somebody who's going to work on the data side of things. And of course, you need a CEO. I mean, all 4 or 5 or whatever you eventually come up with can be founders or co-founders. That's not a problem. But each one of them needs to have a role and be responsible for it.
So, अच्छा, एक बात बताओ, जैसे so how you know, initially how should we think about the funding aspect of this organization? Like as I told you that this Dinesh Sharma ji का profile जैसे मैंने तुम्हें भेजा था, so he said कि he has a funder also, so he can bring on board, you know, a funder also for this idea. So he was already suggesting that. Now the question is कि वहाँ पे हमें कैसे करना चाहिए, मतलब how should that be? Should that initially be self-funded or funded through contribution and then we need to work on that, या फिर हम सीधा लोगों से बात करना, and when we you know, socialize also, then also you know, what kind of value add do we give to them कि आपको आपका क्या role होगा?
So I think that's a good question. I don't know what are the different types of structures in the country, right? So, so for instance, like you can set it up as a corporation, then you can't really receive donations. I mean, I don't know how that works, right? Or if you set it up as an NGO, then it has something. If you set it up as something else, Section 25 company, then it's a different thing. So I don't know actually enough about this to really give a more sort of educated thing.
Okay.
But okay, in terms of funding streams, right, whatever the legal status of the thing might be eventually, I think it's a combination of all of those. Definitely through membership fees, because that brings ownership, but that might not be a major chunk. Number two would be through certifications and through events. Right? That would be your sort of big pony. In terms of donations, there's a challenge there. Depending on who donates, then they'll want to have a very big say in how you run the affairs, and that will have an impact on what the color of this board is going to look like. So if you want it to be truly done, you want to at least find donors who would not push too much on this front, force a particular viewpoint, number one. Number two is you bring them in, or you bring them in for very, very specific things, right? So if you're doing an event, you get a donor for the event, not for the organization, right? So event के खर्चे उससे निकलेंगे. ये नहीं होगा कि that money is coming directly into the organization. So that way you have some sort of a Chinese wall between what the organization does and what happens in the event. I mean, these are difficult questions. I mean, this is just my off-the-cuff sort of reaction. Did he say anything about who or what kind of donor this person is?
So, like he said that he is a financer, and his interest is to eventually, he is a financer, so कुछ तो benefit उसको चाहिए ही होगा. उससे ज़्यादा he did not say.
Okay, that's fine. I think यार इसके बारे में ये सोचते हैं, how do you want to, what is the legal status of the entity? How do you want to set that up? I don't know, पढ़ना पड़ेगा मेरे को. Or if you have somebody who's a lawyer who can give us a quick chat about it.
Okay, so yeah, there is a person. I can bring him in. He is Advocate Anand Prasad. So एक बार उनसे पूछेंगे. He is a corporate lawyer, and earlier he was founding partner of a corporate law firm called Trilegal.
Okay.
Trilegal is like top 10 amongst top 10 law firms in India, corporate law. So he is the founding partner of Trilegal. Now he has resigned from Trilegal and he is trying to establish himself in the league of Harish Salve and Kapil Sibal, that kind of stature.
Oh wow! Okay.
So quite a big shot. So he is a friend as well as a mentor, you can say. So उनसे पूछ सकते हैं. We can ask him. उनसे पूछ सकते हैं कि yeah, we can discuss with him कैसे इसको आगे बढ़ाएं.
I think what you probably want to do is make the pitch. Pitch it to him, and then I also ask him at the same time. What we had one specific sort of plea on the legal aspects of it. So, what does he think would make most sense for something like this?
So maybe next action item ये करते हैं कि उनको एक मीटिंग के लिए अरेंज करते हैं. और उसमें हम लोग उनसे सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, all these questions that we have.
Sounds good. I'm wondering if you want to set it up with a lot more people, right? Who can eventually probably be a part of the executive, but also just be sort of champions who can support it. Not the board level people, but sort of one level lower than that.
So I didn't get you. एक बार फिर से.
I mean, इसको socialize करना है ना. So I mean, people who will eventually become members of the thing. So we should start socializing, talking to many more people who can then weigh in on whether this makes sense or not.
ठीक है, absolutely. So तो मैं वही एक चीज जानना चाह रहा हूँ, मतलब दैट्स माय क्वेश्चन, कि उनको जैसे लेट्स से कि वी पिच इट टू देम, सो वी पिच इट टू देम इन टर्म्स ऑफ कि आप मेंबर बनो, राइट? व्हाट शुड बी आवर इनिशियल, बी अ पार्ट ऑफ.
So I think you should keep it open, right? At the initial stage, you never know who comes in as what. So you basically say, "Ki boss, this is what you're thinking. What do you think about it? Tell us, right? Would you?" And then they can be like, "Okay, this is crap, or this is great, or whatever." And then you sort of go from there and say, "Oh, how do you think you will be interested to be associated with it?" Right? So there's the executive, there is the the board, there is just a member, or in what capacity do you see yourself being associated with something like this?
Yeah, sounds good.
And then उसके बाद you take it from there.
हाँ ठीक है, सो ठीक है, सो या विल डू लॉट मोर मीटिंग्स अराउंड इट.
So I think the only challenge is now finding people who can who we can talk to and bounce the ideas off.
ओके, सो अच्छा मुझे एक बात बताओ, जैसे इसमें जो मेंबर्स में देर आर टू पर्सन्स, एक तो ये विवेक बागड़ी है एंड गौरव है, ठीक है? सो लाइक दे आर फॉर they are from IT background and kind of from a pretty long period they are in this space. अब जैसे मान लो कि इनके साथ हम मीटिंग करते हैं, सो इनको यही डेक दिखाना ठीक रहेगा, या इनको भी सेम क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज लाइक इट ऑलरेडी हैज देयर
Name in it.
नेम इन इट, तो मे बी इन.
So I think, let me ask you a question. Do you think they should be in the board, or do you think they'll actually be willing to join as the executive?
So see, they are young people and they are actively working in their company. So on that front, it is not, मतलब दे जैसे जस्ट टू शेयर विथ यू कि मान लो मेरा खैर गौरव से तो बात नहीं हुआ है बट विवेक से हुआ है मल्टीपल ओकेजन्स पे. सो ऑन दैट फ्रंट आई कैन शेयर दैट ही इज मोर इंटरेस्टेड इन हिज ओन कंपनी, जैसे एंड नॉट इन अ वे ऑफ डेवलपिंग द इंडस्ट्री, सो टू से. सो जो भी मान लो कि काम होता है, सो ही टेक्स इट इन हिज ओन कंपनी एंड डज इट on all the opportunities जो भी मिलता है. तो that is the thing. So maybe advisory board में if we have people who are at a little higher level, who directly जिनका इंटरेस्ट नहीं हो, मतलब इवन दो इंटरेस्ट तो सबका होगा ही, बट एकदम सामने में अपफ्रंट दिख जाता है इंटरेस्ट, तो फिर that might not be a very good idea.
So I think, agreed. I mean, I don't think Vivek then seems to be at even the level to be here, right?
Yeah.
He's not sort of an industry leader or somebody that people look up to or somebody that goes beyond his organization. So number one, yes, we should definitely remove Vivek out of it, whether we show it to Vivek or not. So we should just remove him out of it. So that's the first thing. Go ahead.
गौरव से मेरा इंटरेक्शन हुआ नहीं है अभी तक, सो गौरव के बारे में मुझे आइडिया नहीं है. अंकित के बारे में मुझे है आइडिया दैट ही इज आल्सो right now he has left Aam Aadmi Party and he has started his own want to venture into political consultancy, so he also has same interest as Vivek right now.
Yeah, so the question you want to ask is, forget what their interest or self-interest is, right?
ठीक है.
The question I think is, are these people, will they bring value, and how can people bring value to this thing, right? Number one is they bring a club, right? This is a very good person, a very high level person. If he's endorsing something like this, then it is great, right? So that's number one way in which you bring value. The second way in which you bring value is you bring energy and excitement into the board, right? Yes. If you have all of Muttas, there will be nothing. It will be a dead show, right? They will pontificate everything. They won't come up with any recommendations, any suggestions. So you need people who can also channelize and who can bring that energy to the conversation. Number three is they will bring people who will join you, right? Who will become members, who will bring funding or who will do whatever, right? So अगर इन तीनों में से कोई भी criteria नहीं satisfy कर रहे हैं, तो ideally two or more, but even if there's one, like for instance, that would be just one in the cloud. That's all, right? But basically, if any one of them doesn't satisfy one of those, even one of those criteria, they should not be on this page, whether we show them the tech or not. So that's how I would suggest to एक बार देखते हैं हर individual का नाम and see where do you think they fit. If they don't fit, then we take. So Vivek, for instance, he doesn't have standing. He's not an industry title who will bring cloud. He's not somebody who will bring energy because he's too self-involved, and he's not somebody who would go ahead and publicize this or ask more people to join or something like that. So तीनों चीजें नहीं कर रहा है तो बकवास है, right? So you want to think, why don't you look at it from that lens and see what comes out.
ठीक है.
And I think the reason I think, if you think about most people, everyone in the first, all the blocks, except the political consultants, are going to be people who really first do things.
Your voice is थोड़ा सा तुम्हारा, your voice is not clear.
No. So what I was saying was, can you hear me now better? Can you hear me better now?
I think there is some background noise.
Is it better now?
Way better. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So what I was saying was, most people currently on this page, except political consultants, will bring 1 and 3, which is cloud, and bring other people on board. Number 2, which is energy, is really going to come from people who are political consultants.
Mm-hmm.
Right? So you want younger people who will do something and keep the conversations in direction and keep them going well, right? So that's what you want to do there. So which is why, I have a few young people there and a few older ones, but you know the space better than I do. So look at it from that perspective, कि कौन energy ला सके और उनको वहां पे डाल. बाकी ठीक है.
Okay.
है ना? और जहां तक इनको दिखाने की बात है, if we think that they fit that role, then यही दिखाते हैं उनको. उसमें कोई problem नहीं. Right? But of course, when you go for somebody where you're only going to pick one person, like a journalist or a politician, I mean, not politician, but international expert, then you don't show them the rest, this page. You just stop at the 9th page. So that's that.
Okay. So first focus हमारा it should be on political consultants whom we start pitching and socializing.
Yep. So let's check with them. Let's, ground truth it. Does this even make sense? And once we're done with like 5 people like that, then we can move ahead with other stuff. Acha, before you start doing that, can we block off the website domain and all of that stuff?
So just had shared that with you.
Oh, sorry, I missed it then.
So yeah, can you see here?
Yeah.
So see, these are the options that I had shortlisted upon. Website, like these are the 3, the iapc.in.com.org.
And do you want a hyphen or without the hyphen?
Without hyphen is not available.
So who already uses that?
Yeah, it's international associate.
Even .in.
Yeah, actually there is one guy who has blogged for IAPC.
Oh, okay. Already he's entered there.
So उससे मैंने बात किया था, but you know, he's looks like he is not ready to. लग रहा है कि मतलब he is not aligned with the vision of it, broader picture. He is,
But it's for the same thing.
yeah, it's for the same thing.
Oh, Baba. ठीक है. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. वो जो भी है, I think it's okay.
So मुझे लगता है कि जैसे बीच में हाइफन भी है तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. देखो वैसे भी बहुत ज्यादा लोगों से तो मतलब है नहीं, और जो थोड़े जिनसे मतलब है हमें, तो जो भी वेबसाइट रहेगा दे विल यू नो इवेंचुअली नो इट.
Agreed. I don't think it's such a big deal. Yeah.
इट्स जस्ट कि हमें ट्विटर मतलब हर प्लेटफॉर्म पे अगर सिमिलर मिल जाए तो दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग.
Fair enough. ठीक है. This is fine. इनको block कर लेते हैं, and then let's start having those conversations.
ठीक है. सो क्या करें, तीनों को ही ब्लॉक कर ले?
कितने किए हैं?
आई थिंक कुछ 1300-1400 रुपए का है.
For how long?
1 year.
I see. Let's see. I think .in or .org कर लेते हैं. .com तो मतलब
हाँ ठीक है.
है ना? Let me know, and I know I can pay for it as well. कोई दिक्कत नहीं. और ये क्या है? Facebook. हाँ ठीक है. That's fine. Cool. Let's do
नहीं
that.
ठीक है, ये मैं ब्लॉक कर लूंगा. तुम
हाँ.
बड़े सोर्सेस ऑफ फंडिंग के बारे में सोचो. How do we have on board experts, and how do we plan it so that it's you know more vibrant?
नहीं, sounds good. Let's have these calls. I think उससे हमें काफी idea मिलेगा. You know, otherwise it's just the two of us sort of agreeing with each other. Once we start getting some varied views, I think it'll start becoming clearer what our challenges are. And so I think in terms of timelines, right? If by mid-July, if you can get 20-30 people sort of broadly okay with it, then you know you sort of made severe dents, and then it is only about getting the executive body going, and then you know people take their responsibilities from there on. So it should not be that difficult. So I think what's most important is the initial conversations that you're planning to have now.
So okay, so tell me that how should I, जैसे मान लो किसी से भी टाइम रखते हैं तो mostly what time suits you?
Oh, that's a good question.
Weekend?
Actually, so Fridays are probably better for me. Friday and Saturday.
Fridays and Saturday.
Yeah, because so they should typically work. Yeah.
I
mean, I think at least
ठीक है. Parallelly, I will ask you also.
हाँ ठीक है. So that should be good. Yeah.
हाँ. Otherwise, Friday and Saturday mostly I got it. हाँ ठीक है, मतलब 1 घंटे types should be decent enough with them.
Yep. Yeah. So 45 minutes, 1 hour. You just present it quickly and then have a chat with them.
Absolutely.
I mean, in terms of why are we asking time? Like, look, thinking of setting something up. Love your thoughts on it. That's all. Bounce off ideas, something of that sort. Yeah.
Done.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Done. So let's move forward with it. I'll set up calls and keep updating you parallelly.
Perfect.
एक चीज और मुझे बता दो, इसमें
हाँ.
जो मिशन एंड विजन वाला स्लाइड है,
हम्म.
सो वेयर यू सेड कि विजन ब्रॉड होना चाहिए एंड मिशन नैरो होना चाहिए, सो अभी के लिए इसको रहने देते हैं कुछ मीटिंग्स के लिए,
हाँ. Let's not. Yeah, that's fine. You know,
कुछ भी
I'll just make 1 or 2 changes that we just discussed on the timeline. वो करके मैं तेरे को final भेज दूंगा.
ठीक है,
Let's use that and we'll keep updating it as conversations move along.
डन 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 डन,
Yeah.
ठीक है,
Perfect. All right, man. Take care.
ओके, यू टू, बाय,
I'll wait to hear from you on sort of whenever the next conversations.
एब्सोल्युटली एब्सोल्युटली,
Perfect. Cheers, man.
बाय.
Bye bye. Bye bye.